first of all, I mean, last week's events, in a democracy, a foundation of democracy is peaceful transitions. And obviously, last week's events were grave, chilling to see. And, I'm glad as a country, we are taking it seriously. And hopefully, our democratic processes work and there's accountability through all this. For me, stepping back, we have been, as a company, leading up to the election, one of our, this was the largest investment we ever put into in terms of content moderation around election integrity. And lots of changes, content policies, the way we approach political ads. We made significant changes to what was allowed and what was not. And post-elections in early December, when states certified, YouTube implemented policies and declared content would be violative of our community guidelines if they asserted widespread election fraud and so on. So we've been removing, thousands of videos, including videos from President Trump's channel, if he found them to be violative. And we have clear, consistent policies. Content moderation obviously is about identifying content at scale and removing it before people can see it. We reduce the spread. We don't recommend or promote content which we think is violative. And more importantly, we've raised, we've given billions of views, both in terms of labeling we have done, and we raise authoritative content. So from news organizations around moments like this, and there's been a lot of effort there. Having said that, just like with elections 4 years ago and the potential for foreign interference, we are constantly learning through these moments, and the internet as a whole, I think, needs to come to terms with what kind of information can spread, and it's definitely there's more to do from all our side.